here is Vanessa's smoking alcoholic bird. There's something seriously wrong with this bird. Like, for example, you go to take your drink. Oh, no, sorry, I'm sorry, man. Just relax. You know, can I have a drink? Can I have a drink? Oi, come on, seriously. Just relax, alright? Okay, I'll put it back. There you go. Yep, it's there. Have your smoke. Just calm down, buddy. Alright? Yeah, it's all good. Don't need to... Just relax, man. Just have another cigarette or something. There you go. Better? Good.